In front of me is HMD Pulse Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files and click on it. If you don't have it already on your device, you can always download it from Play Store. It's this one by Google developer. Then hit Continue, select Allow, and tap on this switcher next to Allow access to manage all files to use this app. Finally, just hit the Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!